Alright, we got the wide body time attack with the hood pins. Come on. Another time attack. Still fire, still fire. Still got the hood pins.
Come on, man. The kids listen to you.
1320. This one's like our car. Fire. This one fire too. The matte black on the gloss. Look who decided to show up.
Drop the car, the Challenger off to get 5% in the back, 5% on the little windows, and then legals up front. We don't need no problems. We don't need no reason to even pull it. And then we also asked about 392 tuning kits, and some people thought she was crazy because
they didn't even know about it. They were like, I don't know what you're talking about, but you can go to the parts, maybe they do. Yeah. I was like, no, like I'm not crazy, like it's a thing. He was like the Diablo one. I was like, no, it's through Mopar, like. But yeah, we're on the waiting list, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that call.
Yeah, he said the first one was gonna probably include like thermostat, cold air intake, tune, and then what was the other one? There was one more thing as well. It's gonna come on the pre-stage, and then the stage one is gonna be actual like improvements. It's gonna be exhaust, I'm thinking, in the first one. But yeah,
I'm excited because I'm tired of it being.
And you like in these cars, you have to feel the power. You can't just like it's two different cars after you can feel the power. It's crazy.
Yeah. And that's gonna be a whole nother video.
And we just looked at I didn't even know they made wide body time attacks. That was nice.
That was
super
really nice. We're like, damn, we should have got that one.
Yeah, no, I mean honestly, it's the same price as the 1320. I would have never known, but.
But anyways, we'll whenever we get the car back, we'll take another video of the after.
Oh yeah, definitely. Before and after.
Purchase your tracks today.
Y'all see it, right? Y'all see it? Legals on the front, 5%, whatever this is, half mirror, 5% in the back. Totally good. He's a little washed, but
we'll do it eventually. We have to do it like every other day, so with this white, it is so good.